Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at a very interesting product, and it's the Sanag Sport and Leisure headphones, the B21S model. But that doesn't say much and not much from this picture, but they are actually bone conducting headphones. So these parts here don't stick in your ears, they are going to stay near your ear and they are going to conduct vibration through your skull bones into your ear channel, and you are going to hear them very nice. It's a proven technology, it's been on the market for a lot of time, but until now I didn't pay a lot of attention to that, and I always told myself that they could not sound too great because you lose audio quality, it's not transmitting sound directly, you are inducing it, and so on and so on. So I got a pair of these. This is another one that you are going to see here unboxing, and I was actually surprised by the sound quality, and it was something like mind-blowing for me, as they don't sound good, they sound great. So I didn't expect that, and you are going to see them, and we are going also to try to replicate the test so you get a glimpse of that. So they come in this nice packed box, and they are very light. I don't know if you get the weight here, you get some specifications, maybe you want to pause the video. I don't see the weight here, but they are very light. We can put them on a scale a bit later. And what else we get in the box? Let's see if there is something else. Yes, we get something else. We get a charging cable and a small manual. And we also get a QR code for installing the app, because they also have an app for your mobile phone where you can tune various settings. And the app also does a lot of other stuff that you are going to see. And they use USB Type-C for charging. So simple packaging, effective, just what you need inside. Design is pretty interesting. This is going to stay over your ear. This thing here that produces the sound has a nice pad here, soft pad. This is going to stay near your ear. They don't have a very powerful grip, so they are very comfortable. They are not going to squeeze your head, and this is going to go behind your neck, and this makes it great for doing sports such as running, walking, biking, and so on, because they are not going to fall off your ears. And even if this goes off your ear when it's hooked over your ear, they are still going to be behind your neck, so you are not going to lose them. Also, you can quickly take them off and leave them around your neck if you want to. But another big advantage of that is you don't have to take them off when you talk to someone or when you are on the street, because they are not going to block your ear channel and you are going to hear everything around you. It's a pro and it's a con. I prefer this because if you are wearing this, for instance, on the street, you are not going to be hit by me when I'm on my bike and you are not paying attention, because you are going to hear me coming, so I'm not going to run you over. So they are also safe when you are combining them with other sports such as cycling, walking, running. And now I'm going to power them on, and you have here discrete buttons here. It's a plus and minus for volume up, down, and also for turning on the power, and you hold this for turning on the power. Then you also have here a small plug for the charging port. It's nice to get it covered. They are also sweat proof, so they have a bit of resistance, but they are not made for swimming, so don't go swimming with them. Although they don't have any direct parts exposed to water, they do have microphones inside for audio calls. And when you power them on, just like normal Bluetooth headphones, you are going to pair them, and here's also the provided app. The app is pretty smart because not only connects to the headphones, and you are going to see them right away, there you see, has detected them, and you can see here battery level, and you can choose some equalizers. You can also quickly adjust the volume or skip the audio track. So that's all, not a lot of huge customization here, but I like the equalizer. Then also the app has a lot more things, such as sleep mode. And now it comes to another thing. The app needs an account. To be made an account, it's free. You can do it in a few minutes. But there's also a VIP account, and with the VIP account you get more functionality such as the sleep assist and midday nap options. So these are going to produce sounds to calm you or make you sleepy. Also you get AI, because now we get AI into everything. You get AI now in headphones. I'm waiting for AI into chargers or bread cutters or things like that. Everything is going to have AI in a few days. Alright, so you have here actually a very good stuff. You get, for instance, a translator. You also have other guys such as social media content expert, and this thing can help you with doing stuff. So it's kind of related with things that you use this. So maybe you are a video creator and you are looking for ideas. You just go into this app and search there. It's a good thing. Then you have this AI full intelligence chat and response, and you can talk with this girl here. She's going to listen to you and then she's going to answer, and it's also animated, and look at that, she likes what I'm saying right now. Really nice. Then you have here a selection to choose different AI models such as DeepSeek, you know DeepSeek. Then you have the Quen and several other ones. You can play with them. They have, of course, a limited number of uses, but you can upgrade it with a VIP subscription or something like that, and then you can do a lot more. And you have painting, drawing, again translator, social media, so on. But now back to more serious stuff, so let's try to listen to them, and I'm going to do something like the following procedure. So I'm filming with a smartphone right now that is exactly like this one, and these smartphones have a microphone here and a microphone here. They are recording in stereo, and I'm going to put a no copyright sound on this, connected to this, so they are going to start to work, and you are going to observe that you are not going to hear anything from them even at high volumes. You are only going to feel some vibrations around them, and only when you get your ear close to them you are going to hear them, so they are not going to disturb other people. And then I'm going to take them and put them over my smartphone microphones on the side, so you get recorded sound from that, and you are going to hear them. You are just going to take sound in this video from that one, transmit it over Bluetooth to this one, vibrated by this into the chassis of my smartphone, into the microphone. So there are going to be a lot of sound quality loss over the whole procedure, but even though with all of that you are still going to hear them, and you are going to see, actually hear, that they do sound good. So let me open something here that doesn't have a copyright. Okay, so this is playing. It's Max Braun with The Future audio track, and maybe you can hear something because they are vibrating on the table. But if I hold them like this, do you hear them? Nope. In my hands I do feel that they are vibrating, and now just listen as I put them on the smartphone.
This is the future.
And they are off. And also the volume is almost at the maximum. You can hear them a bit when you are close to them because they are vibrating very powerful. Let me put them back on.
Evolution.
Okay, so probably you have now heard them, and I hope that you have actually understood their kind of audio level and quality. And another funny thing is, for instance, I have this plastic here. Just listen to this. I have made this into a speaker. And let's see the cardboard part here, the box. It sounds even better. So probably they sound so good in my ears because my head is made out of cardboard or wood. Who knows? So you get now the idea how they work by transmitting the vibration, and they do the job really nice. And you also probably know, if you have watched some of my other reviews, that I always complain when I'm doing headphone reviews, because it's my ears that are going to tell you that these things are going to sound good or bad. So it's just my opinion. They are not your ears here directly to hear it. But hopefully with that test you have understood them better, and I really enjoy this. Also, I need to add that they are very interesting this way, how they work, and they also have built-in microphones into these pods here, and you can do audio calls with them, and they also sound good, surprisingly good in an audio call, not only for you hearing the one that you talk to, but the other person on the other end is also going to hear you pretty good, even though the microphones are up here and they are nowhere near close your mouth. They are going to pick up your voice pretty good and not pick up all the noises around you, so they have some kind of noise cancelling such as built into the phone microphones. So they are similar in technology. It's not active noise cancelling, don't understand me wrong, but it's a natural noise cancelling, something like that, because this is not going to pick up cars that go around you. Of course they are going to be picked up, but not so powerful like your voice. So your voice will come out over that, and the other noises that happen there are not going to be so strong. And the last thing about them, they are also incredibly cheap. So I'm going to include the link somewhere here or under this video, somewhere in the video information or in the comments. I'm going to include a link for them. They are surprisingly cheap for how good they sound and how easy, light they are. And talking about that, I promised you at the beginning of this video that I'm also going to weight them, and they have 23 grams, so they are very light, and as you can see, very interesting to use. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and until my next one, see you and bye bye.